we're discussing industrial and office real estate for the first segment. And really, you've probably read about it in the papers for Southeast Wisconsin, but we're at an all-time low vacancy rate. There's actually less industrial space available now than there was before the recession. So it's not quite that way in office, which we'll talk about shortly. There's a lower vacancy rate. It's a landlord and seller's market. It's totally amenity driven. So if you need a 25-foot high building with cranes, there's only so many buildings I'm going to be able to show you in the marketplace. If you need heavy power, it used to be during the recession that you had a ton of options with very aggressive pricing. Now that's not the case. The prices have gone up in industrial. Did a study recently looking at comparable sales about a year ago versus today. And on average, you're going to see a $10 to $15 a square foot price per square foot increase in what properties are selling for. So that's a substantial rebound. And part of that is just because our vacancy rate has gone so low. There's been so much positive absorption of space. So planning early, getting deals done now is certainly important for long-term decision making, as you will see pricing continue to increase over the next few years. Office isn't such a great story, and there's a fairly moderate supply of office. If your company is looking for options in the market, you're going to find them. Downtown, really the only new construction anywhere in the region is going to be downtown Milwaukee. It's the Class A office product and some high-profile projects that are even being pitched by some of our IFMA members, including Ergens. So there's no new construction otherwise for office product, so don't be looking for Class A office product out in Brookfield, for example. If you are an office tenant, you can still expect incentives. That includes free rent. It's a 5-year deal, a lease deal. You may have expected 5 months of free rent. Now that may have edged down to 3 months of free rent due to the improvement in both the industrial and the office markets. In office, you can also expect landlords to participate more in the build-out if you are going to be moving into their facility, whereas in an industrial, you may pay a little bit more because they're going to amortize some of that extra build-out into your lease. In office, they're probably going to absorb quite a bit of the cost just to get you in the building.